Hello everybody and welcome to another Pokemon card pack opening. And today we have a GX card box. I do not know how to spell that name. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's crazy. And we also have a Evolutions card pack right here, and I needed another little box of cards holders. So I got one of those, and guys, let's get right into this opening. So I'll move this right over here, and yeah, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I am back, and I took out all the card packs, and here we go. So it came with a code right here, so I'm gonna show that to you. Here is the box, the holder for my cards. I'm going to put all of my EXs, GXs, Xs, breaks in here, and maybe some other good cards, but mainly just those. And we have a look at the GX, and I'm going to try to pronounce it. So, Lycanroc, or something like that. Lycanroc, something like that. Obviously, a dog-type creature. 200 HP. GX. We have the small card right here. And we have the giant card right here. I'm going to leave that in the back while we open up our cards with this right here. So already a GX, which is amazing. And now we have our 5 packs. We have a Evolutions, Fates Collide, Sun and Moon, another Sun and Moon, and a Breakpoint, which is really awesome. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the Evolutions, then Fates Collide, then Breakpoint, and then do the Sun and Moons. So, let's get right into this. So, first card. Alright. Open this right up. Ooh, not opening from there. Wow, this one is actually giving me... And what I love about Evolutions is what they do with the cards. It makes them look like how I used to play with Pokemon cards when I was really young. So, let's start out. We have a Charizard Spirit Link Trainer, Charmeleon. I am loving these cards already. A Double Energy, colorless, Electabuzz, Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle. Oh my gosh, I love that art. Ooh, a Growlithe, and a Zapdos. Oh my gosh, holo. That is a really awesome looking card. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Thunderbolt, 170 damage. Already the legendary bird Zapdos. That is awesome. I'm going to put that in the back. Right there. And I love these cards and the Evolutions. They are actually amazing and probably my favorite types. So, let's get straight into Fates Collide. I really like that card pack. Alright. Let's get right into this. Here is the code. 1, 2, 3. It's different when it's Sun and Moon. Oh my gosh, I think I saw something. Oh my gosh. Alright. Kangaskhan. Dushin. Mega Catcher. Mincino. Whismur. Finnegan. Valubi. Larvitar. And we got a break. A Lugia break. Oh my gosh, guys. That is amazing. And a Lugia. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. We got the Lugia break. And the normal Lugia. I'm going to put these both in the back. Because that is just crazy. What we pulled off. Wow. We got... That's just crazy, guys. Already 4 awesome cards in the back. And now let's go to the break point. We got a break that not in the break point. I thought it was going to be an EX, but a break is just as cool. Right. Here's the code. Right. 1, 2, 3. A Gabite. Gabbit. That's an awesome card. Trainer. Max Elixir. Not doing so well so far. Skrelp. Honedge. Ducklet. Shinx. I like the art on that one. Numel. A Garbodor. And a Mouse Stick. Alright, not the best. Just a regular rare. But now, guys, we're on to the Sun and Moon. Alright, let's get into it. Hopefully we get something good in these packs. These last packs. We've already gotten some really good cards. So, I'm going to say it right now. You guys should go ahead and pick up one of these packs. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, for Sun and Moon, it's 4. And I do think the cards are a bit thicker. Not much. Just a bit. Alright. So, we got a Fire Energy. Herdier. Stanii. Walwhirl. Fearow. Grubbin. Spearow. Grimmer. And that's actually a different look. Actually, I think that might be a new Pokemon. Grimmer. There was Muck. What was the other one? I can't really remember. Alright, Rowlet. Oh my gosh. A Rainbow Energy. I love these cards. And, ooh, Crabominable. Alright. Just a regular rare. Pretty cool, but I'm going to put this Rainbow Energy in the back. Because that is an awesome card, guys. I do already have a Rainbow Energy, but I'm telling you, it is not that cool. Alright, so now with our last Sun and Moon pack. And this is our last pack. So hopefully we'll get something really cool in this one. I'm not sure if we will, but hopefully, guys, we will. Here we go. Make sure we can't see what's behind. Alright, there is the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Fighting Energy. Torcat. Metapod. Pokemon Catcher. Meowth. Growlithe. Roggenrola. Cosmog. Litten. A Wingull. Alright. And Gigalith. Hollow. That's a really cool card, guys. So I'm going to put that in the back. And I'm going to organize these from best to worst. And I'll be right back. Alright, guys. We're here with a pack opening. Again, this is me putting these in order. So we have a Lugia. Really cool. Gigalith. A Rainbow Energy. A Zapdos. Hollow. Really cool. A Lugia Break. And a Lycanroc GX. So guys, those are all of the really good cards that we got. I hoped you enjoyed that small little pack opening. And guys, I will see you in the next. Goodbye.